Get the knife. You gotta wait for James to hand them to you, Joe. He's helping. Oh, Joe, James is handing you something. Josie, James got out a fork for you.
A spoon. You forgot. It's a spoon.
Oh, I apologize. You're very good at this, Joe.
I can't do the two ones. Mommy, I can't do the two ones. Come here. Come here. I got two more, Mommy. Can you get two more?
I think you did a good job.
No,
You
but-
are my best helper.
There's two more. Get it? Oh, two more. Now.
Yay! You figured it out, Joe Bob. Are you all done? Thank you, little girl. The end.